Hello wonderful people, welcome back to my channel again. This is your boy Emmanuel Drop, and in today's video I am going to show you how you can easily claim free TRX every 60 minutes, that is every 1 hour, using this free TRX claiming site. Okay, so you are going to get the link to this free TRX claiming site in this video's description box. Alright, so before I show you guys how the site works, that is before I explain further, I would be placing a live withdrawal here now. Okay, so I am going to be withdrawing this my 410 TRX right here now in front of everyone. Okay, so to withdraw I am going to click on this button right here now, and then I click on this withdraw button. Alright, so besides I have been withdrawing off this site, my first withdrawal here was about 4 months ago, which was 294 TRX. The other time I withdrew 1046, the other time I withdrew 351. So now to withdraw, let me go and get my TRX wallet address from Trust Wallet. Okay, so this is my Trust Wallet account, and I currently have about 14,512 TRX. So let me get the wallet address. Okay, so here I'll just have to copy out the TRX address. Okay, and I'm just going to paste my address here now, and guys, minimum withdraw is 15 TRX. Okay, so I'll be withdrawing 410 TRX. Okay, and I'll be verifying this captcha right here now. Then I click on withdraw, and take note, for every withdrawal 0.2 TRX will be taken as a service fee. Okay, so let me make it 410.2, so they'll be taking this 0.2 TRX as the charge, and they're going to send me 410 TRX. Okay, so let's click on withdraw, and you see here now your withdrawal request is being processed. Okay, so let's wait for them to process this my 410 TRX. Okay, and I'll get back to you guys as soon as I receive this TRX. Okay, so stay tuned. Welcome back. So guys, within 30 minutes my payment got processed. All right, so you can see it here now, completed. Okay, so let's head on to my Trust Wallet account, and I'm going to show you the payment over there. Okay, so let's go to Trust Wallet. All right, and this is my new account balance on TRX, and this happens to be the TRX that I received. Remember, I told you guys that I will be withdrawing 410.2 TRX, and I will be taking the 0.2 TRX as their service charge, giving me 410 TRX, which you are seeing here now in my account. Okay, so this is the proof that shows that this site is 100% legit and trusted. Okay, so now let's go back to the site, guys, and over there now in my account again, I am going to show you guys how you can be able to start making money for free off this site with TRX. Okay, so you will get the link to this TRX earning site in this video's description box, and once you click on the link you have to sign up and verify your account. Okay, so once you have signed up and verified your account, that is your email, you get 10 free spins, and you get a chance to double your faucet rewards for 1 day. Okay, so once you have verified your email, you will get the bonus faucet over here now. Okay, so they have the early faucet and bonus faucet. Okay, so this bonus faucet would be 10 in number if you verify your email address. Okay, so I have been using mine, and that's why I have about 2 here left. Okay, so now to make use of the bonus faucet, just come down here now, and you stand the chance to get up to 150 TRX per claim. That is if you are able to get a lucky number of at least 10,000. Okay, so now the bonus faucet works with a lucky number. Okay, so if you get a number from 0 to 9885, you get paid 0.005 TRX. If you get a lucky number of 9886 to 9985, you get paid 0.015 TRX. If you get a lucky number of 9986 to 9993, you get paid 0.15 TRX. If you get a lucky number of 9994 to 9997, you get paid 1.5 TRX per claim. If you get a lucky number of 9998 to 9999, you get paid 15 TRX per claim. And if you get a lucky number of 10,000, you get paid 150 TRX per claim. Okay, so now to start claiming, guys, just come down here and click on roll. All right, and let's see what I'll get here now. You can see here that unluckily I got 0.005 TRX, and this is the lucky number that I was able to get. All right, and I now only have about one bonus faucet left. Okay, so if you click on hourly faucet, this is how it works. Okay, so this hourly faucet works with level system. Okay, so if you're on a stone level, you get paid about 0.005 TRX per claim. That is every hour, which is every 60 minutes. Okay, if you're on iron level, you get paid about 0.01 TRX per claim. If you're on a bronze level, you get paid 0.02 TRX per claim. If you're on a silver level, you get paid 0.06 TRX per claim. If you're on a gold level, you get paid 0.25 TRX per claim. If you're on a platinum level, you get paid 1 TRX per claim. If you're on a diamond level, you get paid about 5 TRX per claim. And if you're on a master level, you get paid 30 TRX per claim. Okay, so to start claiming here now, you just verify this capture right here now, and you click on claim, and let's see what I'm getting now. And again, unluckily I received 0.005 TRX. Okay, so I can only come back and claim again in the next 59 minutes 52 seconds, which is, you can just call it 60 minutes. Okay, so that's how it is, guys. And you can also come up here now and click on this button here now. Once you click on this button here now, sorry for that, I mistakenly clicked the deposit system. Okay, so once you click here and click on games, if they have any available game, you can come down here now, play them, and also get paid. All right, so that's how it is. Okay, you can also participate in the contest, surveys, and that's okay. So minimum amount to withdraw here now remains 15 TRS, and you'll be charged 0.2 TRX for any transaction, and it is fixed. Okay, so to withdraw, page to address say the amount, verify capture, then click on withdraw. Okay, so give this my video a thumbs up, guys, if you found it helpful, and if you want me to make more videos on how you can make money online with cryptocurrency mining site, airdrops, and so on and so forth, you let me know now at the comment section below. Okay, so thank you for watching, guys. Stay safe and God bless.